I'm at H&L Rapid True Value. Now you guys know that, you know, it's a new year and all that. I just moved, so we want to spruce up the place and fix it up a little bit more. You understand? Have so many little cute things that you could need for your house, like this right here. There's a lot of options for grays. All right, so what we got? So all this will work now. Well, top of the morning, everyone. You already know it's a beautiful day in Kingston City. I'm at H&L Rapid True Value. Now you guys know that, you know, it's a new year and all that. I just moved, so we want to spruce up the place and fix it up a little bit more. You understand? So I came here today, H&L Rapid True Value, to see the things that they have to fix up the place a little bit more. All right, let's go see. Wait. Can't bring the things them in our hand, right? All right, so we know. I might be in here for a long time, so I need to get prepared. Ooh, as I walk in. Okay. All right, so I see these lovely paintings here. I like this. I think this will be perfect on the wall. I don't only need one, I need two, okay? Pow. All right, so I see here we have some orchids. Now, I don't know, some have plants at home, right? Danet and Danisha, I don't know, so they're not really doing too well. So I think I'm gonna go with the fake ones for the room, all right? I'm gonna just grab two of these. They have so many little cute things that you could need for your house, like this right here. I think I'm gonna take this up. It's a swinging picture frame. Ooh. I'm gonna put a picture of me in here. I don't know from what day, my neck. Remember, say my neck never did that work from what day. I don't want that for my guests, all right? So I'm gonna get decent pillows this time, all right? So we're gonna go with this divan. This look nice, eh? You guys like this? I like this. Choose on piece. I need another trolley already. God. So, I want to do the same thing I'm average as I have some yellow pillow and some gray pillow, but you know, I pick up two little things, but my two little things is a lot of things, all right? So I could just put this right here. All right, now that we have space, I think you call these throw pillows. So I'm just gonna grab two yellow, because remember we're matching the comforter, right? And then two grays, okay? Now watch that, everything I will fit. Oh, look at this. All right, I need this because you want the room feel a little foresty, you know what I mean? So we're just gonna grab two of these. Yes, the paint bar, this is exactly what I need. Hi, how you doing?
Hey,
Look like you need me.
Like?
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you? What's your name?
My name is Bobby.
Bobby, hi again. I'm painting my guest room, right? And I'm thinking a little gray.
So what tone of gray are you planning to use?
What tone of gray? Gray.
All right, so let me bring it to you.
Yeah. One gray, but I don't really know which gray, so maybe you can help me, all right? There's a lot of options for grays. All right, so what we got?
All right, so you have different tones of grays.
Okay.
So it depends on the tone that you're going. It depends on the lighting too inside of the room. So you wouldn't go too dark. But I'm going to show you two types of grays and we can look at them under the lighting to see how it reflects.
So the room has a lot of light naturally. So what if a natural light? So I just want to see which one of them something here work with it.
All right, no problem. All right, so let me show you how these lighting affect the shades.
Okay. Oh.
So you can actually see the tones coming.
So this is supposed to be outside light?
Yes, it's normally a daylight.
Daylight.
This is the relaxed light.
Oh!
Different tone from the lighting.
So it's at the nighttime when we turn on the lamp? All right, so we're here now. So based on that, what would you suggest?
I would suggest this one.
You know what, Bobby? We're going to the two of them. Right. I'm feeling a little frisky today, so we're going to the two of them. Serious gray and dust blue, so we're here now. All right, so what else I need?
You're gonna need some brushes though, and some paint rollers.
All right, so which one you suggest?
Alright, so I think that's you.
Oh, we need this to that one here, like a, we need this?
No, that's a masonry brush.
It's not a paper?
No. Alright, so I'm gonna mix these paints for you.
Oh.
You can have a seat right here until I'm finished.
I can do that.
Alright, so these are the shades.
Alright.
Alright, so we normally cut a few dots at the top so you can see the shades that you selected.
Watch her now, Bobby, watch her now. See where?
We're good now.
My man.
Alright.
Thanks so much for the help, alright?
You're leaving the other products.
Oh, what I leave? Oh, Jesus, please, Bobby. I'm coming in wide, I'm coming in wide. Hi, good evening, how you doing? Thank you very much. Have a fantastic day, all right? All right, guys. The first part of the work is finished. Next is to go home, unpack the things them, and get into the little DIY project. Okay.